Welcome back, children. So today we will study nutrition. Nutrition provides nutrients to the body which helps an organism to carry out its life activities to stay alive. And nutrients are the substances which are provided through food. Different types of nutrients are there. For example, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, etc. etc. Now, nutrition is broadly divided into two categories. One is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Another is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, in autotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms are able to make their own food from simple substances which are present in its environment or surrounding. All green plants and bacteria are following this mode of nutrition. Now, in autotrophic mode of nutrition, the most common process is photosynthesis. Now, you must remember, you have been studying about photosynthesis, I think from class 5 or 6. Now, what is this photosynthesis? The process by which green plants prepare their own food by absorbing carbon dioxide from air, water from soil, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to make carbohydrate. So, the process of photosynthesis requires four basic things. Now, these four basic things are chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Now, what is this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green colored pigment found in chloroplast, which is present in the cells of all plants. Now, the main function of chlorophyll is to absorb sunlight and then to convert that solar energy into chemical energy. Sunlight is available in plenty every day. As soon as the sun rises, the green plants start absorbing sunlight. Next is carbon dioxide. You know that air contains 0.03% of carbon dioxide. So all terrestrial plants absorb carbon dioxide from air, and all aquatic plants absorb carbon dioxide from water where carbon dioxide gets dissolved. So, with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and lastly water is available to the plants from the soil. You know that the roots contain root hair which absorbs the water and then passes into the root, which transports the water to the leaves via the xylem vessels found in vascular bundle. So in this way, the four basic raw materials of photosynthesis is obtained by the plant. Now, for the process of photosynthesis, three basic events are there. What are the three basic events? Let us see. The three basic events in photosynthesis are: first is absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. As I told you earlier, that first of all, the sunlight which falls on green leaves the chlorophyll pigment is able to absorb that sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. So the next step is conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. So once the solar energy is converted into chemical energy, that chemical energy is utilized in breaking the water molecule into oxygen and hydrogen. So water molecule is broken down because of this solar energy which the chlorophyll absorbs. So this splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen is known as photolysis of water. So here you can write down in bracket as photolysis of water. Photolysis, you can see it contains two words. Photo means light and lysis means to break down. So water molecule is broken down into elemental hydrogen and oxygen by conversion of light energy into chemical energy. The third event in photosynthesis is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So the first two events, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll and conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, that is photolysis of water, these two events takes place in the presence of light and hence they come under light reaction. Whereas reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate, this does not require light, so it comes under dark reaction. We write reaction in short form as RKN dot, right? So reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. That means the carbohydrate is formed by reduction of carbon dioxide. And what is reduction, you know? That adding of hydrogen is also called as reduction, isn't it? So here the hydrogen which is produced from photolysis of water, that hydrogen reduces this carbon dioxide to form carbohydrates. So the photosynthetic equation can be written in this way. So see, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce, this is glucose, plus 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water vapor. So you can understand this equation is called as the photosynthetic equation. Clear, children? So remember here, one molecule of glucose is produced and this is the main product and these are the byproducts. Oxygen is produced as a byproduct, 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water vapor. So remember again, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water, which in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll produces 1 molecule of glucose in the form of C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water vapor. Now this water H2O is in the form of water vapor, not liquid water, clear? Which goes out into the atmosphere. So this is what happens during photosynthesis. So next In our next class, we will do heterotrophic nutrition. Thank you.